Peace be upon you. How are you, my brothers? Welcome back once again. So today, brothers, we're going to show you how to generate unlimited videos on Geo, and that's on the free plan. You don't need to buy any subscription, okay? All you have to do is log in with your Gmail and start making your videos. But to make unlimited videos, to really make them unlimited, you'll need our extension. Alright, so we want to make unlimited videos, and that too with avatars on the free plan of HeyGen. You don't need to pay for anything, no need to buy any plan. We'll show you how to generate videos on the free plan step by step from A to Z. We'll explain the whole setup, and if any brother wants the extension, he can get it from us. So let's get started with the video and jump into our topic, which is how to generate unlimited videos in HeyGen on the free plan. So let's get started. First of all, look guys, what you really need to do is open up your Google Chrome browser and navigate over to the HeyGen website. Once you do that, you'll land right on the login page that looks exactly like this. Now, you need to sign in using your Google account, or you can just click right here like this and you'll be logged in automatically. I'm going to show you everything step by step, but first, let me take a moment to show you the specific plan. This is the completely free plan that we currently have available for everyone to use. This platform offers an incredibly wide array of impressive and highly effective features that truly stand out, and because of this versatility, we strongly suggest that you consider implementing it for a variety of other professional tasks and diverse workflows as well. Beyond its primary use, the system is robust enough to handle complex projects across different departments, making it a valuable asset for any team looking to improve their overall productivity and streamline their daily operations in a meaningful way. And this part is interesting because in front of them, this thing reminds us of Egypt's 200, then who's Egypt, tradition, folklore, world oriented. In Egypt or in the valleys, we do it exactly like that, and we are so adequate in this that we are publishing the entire video on. We are doing this for the sake of relationship, asterisk, 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 sortir cover from there, response, important, motion, Ron Per, the one with in Alexandria, with on which pro first. So this is called, and that's it. This is what happened. In addition to the previous lessons we've covered, the teacher is now going to provide us with a very detailed and comprehensive explanation regarding the specific principles found within the curriculum for Morals Lesson number 104, which focuses on the fundamental values that every single student should strive to understand and practice in their daily lives to become better citizens. It means it will last for about 5 to 6 days, your credits will run out, and after that, you won't be able to make videos anymore. Basically, the plan you bought will become useless. I'm just showing you how it works, okay? This is the yearly one, but if we talk about the monthly plan, it costs $29, which is about 8 to 9,000 Pakistani rupees, and even here, you can't make unlimited videos. We're going to tell you everything for free in this video. We'll show you how to generate unlimited videos with avatars. So brothers, stay with us, don't go anywhere, and make sure to watch the video till the end. Because for a lot of creators, especially those who make videos in high resolution, this had become a problem, but we've brought the solution for you. We're here for you, and you'll get it at a normal price, okay? The extension, I've already told you everything else, given you A to Z information, everything. So let's cancel this here. Now, what you need to do is, okay, go to the avatar section. If you want to set up your own avatars, you can do that. Remember, in the free plan, you can only add 3 avatars, but you can keep changing the look of each avatar as much as you want. And you can keep cloning your own voice for each one, as you like. I changed the look of my original and added it again like this. If you click here, it'll take you to Add Look. You can click on Upload Look, and from here you can select a new avatar, whatever you want to set up. You can also select a new voice if you want, but anyway, the video will get too long, so let's get started with our work. I'm going to the home page now. After coming to the home page, okay, I go to the avatar section. Alright brothers, avatar. After that, I click on it here. Now, you have to click where it says to click. If you want to click on your own video, then you need to click on Scene here, okay? After coming here, I'll explain the next steps to you. The next steps are coming up, and I'm about to tell you, or maybe my voice is a bit low. Don't worry about that. Just focus on the main work. We just need to watch the main video. What is our topic about? So look friends, now everything has appeared in front of you, okay? The interface of HeyGen has appeared. Here, we do everything on Auto R. We used to paste the script here, and here, there used to be a generate button. Let me show you. I have a script copied in Notepad, which I now here, you need to check. You could generate here, meaning whatever plan you had, the one you bought, right? This won't be the case in our extension. I've had everything checked in our extension. The extension you buy, let me tell you, first of all, you need to set it up here. You don't paste the script here. I'll tell you later on where you'll put the script. First of all, now here, you need to do some settings. You can see here, Motion Engine. You have to select it and click on the Avatar 3 option. After clicking this, you need to set up your settings here. Let me clarify, you can't add captions here. You can add captions in CapCut. Previously, you could add captions depending on your plan, but this is a new method. Here, you can make unlimited videos with avatars. Everything will be handled, but you can add captions in CapCut. If you add captions, you'll notice that videos without captions actually get more reach. If you want to add captions, you can download the old version of CapCut, and in that you can add captions and so on. Because that old version is free, it works fine, and you can add captions and export videos after downloading it. It's simple. Just go to CapCut, and there you can add captions, and you just have to select it, and after selecting, make whatever settings you need. I've already told you that there aren't any other options here. Now, what you need to do is simply open the extension you bought from us. Here's our extension. It's even being updated right now. Besides this, there are many other extensions. If you want to clone your voice here, meaning if you want to download your voice, it's paid. You know it's AI generated, right? There's a website for AI voice cloning. We have that too. And it will also let you download your voice from there. So that's a separate website, and this is separate. The extension you buy from us, Haijung, works the same way. Whoever you want to add, just add them. After that, whatever script you want to make a video with, you need to copy that script. After copying it, after that, you don't need to do anything here. There's no need to generate anything. All you have to do here is click on Inject Export. You can see that our video, which will be 5 minutes long, is ready. So after that, what you need to do is click on Inject Export. Now our process will start here. Our video is loading, and as soon as it reaches 100%, it will automatically... I'll show you. You just need to download it. If you want to add captions, you can go to CapCut and add captions there. If you don't want to add them, it's simple. Your video will be ready. After downloading, you can upload it to YouTube. The video might get a little longer, so I'll stop the video here. Our video is now ready, alright? You can also check the timing, etc. As soon as it reaches like 100% or 90%, like my video, when it got to 90%, the direct download button appeared. Sometimes it happens at 98%, sometimes it takes a bit more time, so you just have to wait there. This was a short video, like 5 minutes or 3 minutes long, so if you make a video that's 20 or 25 minutes long, then it'll take a little more. By the way, I forgot to mention one thing. This icon, the logo that appears, the iGen one, when we play or download the video, it won't show up. That's because there's an option that automatically removes it, so the logo won't appear in the video. Now our video is about to be downloaded from Geo. Let me show you the video by playing it from Geo. The video is ready now.
As you can clearly see from the final result on your screen, our video is completely finished, and we successfully made it happen, right? We managed to achieve all of this using only the free plan available in HeyGen. You can easily do the exact same thing for your own projects by simply downloading and using the browser extension yourself.
You can also make unlimited videos. There are even more updates coming to this. You can add 20 videos at once, 30 videos at once, no problem. Each video will keep getting generated one by one, and once they're generated, you can download them. You can queue up bulk videos all at once, and in the same way, your videos will keep getting created in bulk. So, this update is coming very soon, and we'll share it with you as well. No matter which social media platform you happen to be watching our video on today, whether it's TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, or absolutely anywhere else across the internet, I need Pilot 7 to wake up right now. That is pure sweetness. Alright, let's get this started and see what we can do together. We'll explain the whole process, how it works, how to install it, how to set it up, and we'll walk you through it step by step. You just need to make the payment to us and we'll activate it for you. After that, it'll start working on your end, and all you have to do is log in, select the free plan in High General, and then you can create animated videos. Updates will keep coming like this, and we'll keep sharing those updates with you. So I hope all my brothers have understood. No matter which country you're from, if you want to do this, brother, you can. Now you can restart your channel again. So see you in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz, and for any brother who wants to buy, hurry up and come.